Hey everyone, so in this video, I'm going to show you how to plan your day as a content creator. So this video is specifically for individuals who are trying to balance content creation with a full-time job, or maybe you're doing content creation full-time. How do you actually plan out your day? Either way, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved, but the way to actually do this is that I first use a project management tool or a digital calendar called Akiflow. And so Akiflow, if you want to check it out, you can click on the link down below in the description and start your 7-day free trial. But with Akiflow, it's basically a time blocking digital calendar. So the first thing that you need to do as far as planning your day goes as a content creator is that you need to set aside film block time. So on my calendar here on Akiflow, I have a dedicated time every single weekday dedicated to filming. So it's 12 to 2 p.m. and then 2:30 to 4 p.m. or 4:30 p.m. But you can see it's pretty consistent on a day-to-day basis just because it really allows me to actually go ahead and get to the habit of filming during these times. So I try to follow this as closely as possible, in which once it hits around 12 p.m., I am going to start working on content creation. So with the film block, I highly recommend that you set aside a consistent time, or the same time every day, as far as creating content goes, as far as planning out your day goes. Now, with Akiflow, I also have this thing called the Ideal Calendar. So this Ideal Calendar, it's a new calendar created on Google Calendars. But what it is that it basically allows me to have a groundwork or foundation of how I want my perfect week to look like. So I can toggle this Ideal Calendar on and off, but like I said, when I was first trying to use calendars, it was kind of hard for me to plan out what my day-to-day basis would look like as a content creator. But by creating this Ideal Calendar, this is basically what my perfect week looks like. So I want to wake up between 7:30 and 8 a.m. Then I want to go out in the morning walk for our dogs. Then I want to continue with 7,000 steps, do some like admin work here, then work out and exercise, and then have breakfast. So with the Ideal Calendar, it really helps structure your day, in which just having a foundation just really helps you plan out your day. And with the Ideal Calendar, I don't try to schedule things during this time unless I have to. I don't try to schedule things when I'm not awake. And by also setting up film blocks, I don't schedule any dentist appointments, doctor's appointments, or any online meetings during this time either. So using film blocks and an Ideal Calendar will really help you plan out your day. Now, the last thing to help you plan out your day as a content creator is a daily planning routine. So this right here, okay, every single day at around 8:30 a.m. to 9 a.m., I have like a morning manifesto where I reflect on what needs to be done for the day. So if we check here, these are basically a recurring tasks where I ask myself, what are my top 3 priorities for this week? And then what do I want to work on today? So keep it simple. Although I have a lot of tasks here on the left-hand side, try to keep it simple as far as what's the number one thing that you want to work on today that allows you to reach your goals for the week. So maybe it's scripting a new script, or maybe it's publishing 1 YouTube video, or maybe it's publishing 2 YouTube videos. Either way, having like a daily reflection as far as what you're going to do for the rest of the day really helps with planning out your day as a content creator. So again, the same rule applies where you want to do this at the same time every single day of the week. So mine just happens to be at 8:30 a.m. while I'm on the treadmill walking. But with that though, it really allows me to understand and plan out my day instead of kind of being foggy as far as what do I need to do today. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and plan out your day as a content creator. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. But thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.